afternoon, all of you. Today is discussing about types of host. Today's topic is types of host. So, what is a types of host? What is a host? So, it is the providing food and shelter. The providing food and shelter. Food and shelter. Providing the food and shelter. So that is the host. Okay. So mainly the types of host. How many types of host? It is a mainly three types. It is a mainly three types. So first one is the primary host. First one is the primary host. And second one is the secondary host. First one is primary host. Second one is the secondary host. And third one is the reservoir host. Mainly these are the three types of the host. They are the three types of host. Okay, so now discussing about primary host. Now discussing about primary host. Next, first one is the primary host. So what is a primary host? It is also called the definitive host. Primary host and definitive host also. Next, so what is a primary host? Which parasite undergoes sexual reproduction? Which parasite undergoes the sexual reproduction? So that is the primary host. What is a primary host? Which parasite undergoes or conducted sexual reproduction? So which parasite conducted the sexual reproduction? So that is the primary host. And next one is the secondary host. The main example is, best example is Wuchereria bancrofti. Wuchereria bancrofti. Bancrofti. So it is a filarial parasite. Filarial parasite. It is a filarial parasite. And Anopheles mosquitoes for Plasmodium. Example is Anopheles mosquito for Plasmodium vivax. Plasmodium vivax. So Plasmodium vivax cause the disorder is malarial fever, but Wuchereria bancrofti shows the disorder is filarial worm. Okay, it shows the disorder is filaria, and Plasmodium cause the disorder is malaria, filaria, malaria. Okay, and next one is the second example. Second one is secondary host. Second one is secondary host. It is also called intermediate host. It is also called intermediate host. And next, it means and which parasite undergoes asexual reproduction. So, which parasite conducted the asexual reproduction? So, primary host conducted the sexual reproduction, but secondary host conducted the asexual reproduction. So, that is the Plasmodium vivax for man. Plasmodium vivax for man. So that is the secondary host. Okay. So types of host. The first one is the primary host and secondary host. Primary host is the definitive host, which parasite conducted the sexual reproduction, and secondary host is the intermediate host, and which parasite conducted the sexual reproduction. So this is the types of the parasites. Okay. And third one is the reservoir host. So it is a host. So reservoir host. The host infective stages are largest in the body. So the host infective stages are largest in the body. If not available of main host. If not available of main host, then store the other host bodies. Infective stages are stored the body inside. Okay. So that is the reservoir. What is a reservoir host? If not available of main host, then infective stages are largest in the body. So that is the reservoir host. So its best example is monkey for Plasmodium. But Plasmodium it cause the disorder to man. So the Plasmodium is infected to man, but its infective stages are stored in the monkey. So Plasmodium caused to man. But if not available of main host, so man is the main host, it is not available. So then its infective stages are stored in the other host. So that is the monkey. So monkey is the main reservoir host. So all of you understand? So the infective stages are lodged in the body if not available of main host. If not available of main host. So its main host is the man. Plasmodium main host is the man. So man if not available, then Plasmodium infective stages are lodged in the other host body. So that is the monkey. It is the very best example of the reservoir host. Okay. And next one is the vectors. So types of vectors. So types of vectors. What is a vector? Vector is a transfer of a infective stages from one host to another. One host to another. So transfer of infective stages from one host to the another host. So that is the vector. It is also called carrier. Vector is also called carrier. So carrier, what is a carrier? Infective stages are one host to the another host. They carry the one host to another host. So that is the vector. So vectors are mainly two types. Vectors are mainly two types. So first one is the mechanical vector and second one is the biological vector. So first one is the mechanical vector and second one is the biological vector. And discussing about mechanical vector. So mechanical vector. So what is a mechanical vector? The transfer of an infective stage of a parasite. No part of the parasitic development in it. So the infective stages are transferred one host to the another host, but it is not development in it, in the body. It is not developed in the body. So that is the mechanical vector. So the transfer of a infective stages of a parasite. The transfer of the infective stages of a parasite, no part of the parasitic development in it. No part of the parasitic development in it. In its body also. Okay. So example, houseflies and cockroaches. Houseflies and cockroaches. For example, housefly. So it carry the Entamoeba histolytica parasite. Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica. So it carries the parasite. Entamoeba histolytica parasite is carried by houseflies. So carries to human food. Human food. So the food eaten by man then cause the disorder is blood motions. Gum motions. So finally, the disorder is Entamoeba histolytica cause the disorder is blood motions and gum motions also. Okay, so that is the housefly. So the housefly carries the Entamoeba histolytica parasite, but it is not developed in the housefly's body. So that is the mechanical vector. So it is used to, it's like a machine. So houseflies use it to machine. Okay. So it carries Entamoeba histolytica parasite, but it is to infect it to man and cause the disorder is blood motions, gum motions. Okay. And also abscess also. Okay. Abscess also. So that is the mechanical vector. And next one is the biological vector. The next one is the biological vector. So what is a biological vector? So a part of its development, bios, its life. Okay. So logos, that is the study, biological study. Okay. Biological vector. So bios means life. So some life also open present in the biological vector. Some life also present in the biological vector. So what is that? Part of a development. A part of a development before it gets transferred to another host or main host. So the infective stages are transferred before main host, then cause the disorder. So that is the biological vector. Okay. So part of development. So this is no part of the parasitic development, but this is part of the development before gets transferred to the another host. But no part of the development it goes to the infective host. Okay, no part of the development, but it is the part of the development. Okay, for example, Anopheles mosquito. So, Anopheles, it is a mosquito, but it develops, half of the part is developed, then it is infected to man, then cause the disorder is malaria. Then cause the disorder is malaria. Okay, so that is the biological vector. So this is the mechanical vector. No development parasite is the mechanical vector. Half of the development is present in the biological vector. Okay, and next one is the types of vectors and types of hosts. Okay, so both are very important topics also. Okay.